Dvayekam. These two words are derived from the Latin word duatvus unum, which means join two into one. And this is what happens in the process of welding. The Indian Institute of Welding, or IIW India, is the biggest professional institute in India for professionals engaged with welding science and technology.
The Indian Institute of Welding, which initially started by a group of professionals to get together to share knowledge on welding with respect to both the engineering aspects as well as the technical aspects on the field, has come a long way. It's now our mission to convert the Indian Institute of Welding, IIW India for short, into a really professional organization which can cater to the needs of welding in the country.
Going down the memory lane, soon after the independence of India, there was a great urgency of rebuilding of Indian industry with strong emphasis on infrastructure development and industrial growth. Self-dependence was given the utmost priority. And core industries like coal, steel railways, capital equipment, oil, fertilizer, cement, petrochemicals, nuclear power, defense equipment, and the supporting ancillary industries were targeted for achieving growth at a forced pace. Technology change was one of the major thrusts provided by the government of India. As a result, welding technology was being developed and used effectively, replacing the old methods of metal joining processes.
We have also plans to collaborate with the Government of India and the relevant ministries to make sure that the effect of Indian Institute of Welding and the views of Indian Institute of Welding is taken on board by the policymakers. If we can achieve this, I believe that the Indian Institute of Welding will truly become a professional society which will cater to the technical needs of the country.
To address this task, initiative was taken for forming a professional institute of welding by members of the erstwhile Indian chapter of Welding Institute London, and the Indian Institute of Welding was formed on 22nd of April 1966 at Calcutta. Since then, the glorious march continued, and as we celebrated the Golden Jubilee in 2016, the Institute had attained a prime position in assimilating and disseminating of welding science and technology in India, and also playing a very important role in the international arena as an active member of the International Institute of Welding.
Mainly all engineers are the member of the institute in individual capacity. Approximately 4,500 members now. Also, industrial corporate member 159 organization is a member of the institute. The Indian Institute of Welding main objective is to develop welding science and technology in the country, and through different seminars, national and international level, doing certification program of welders, training program of welders, training program engineers through various divisions like authorized national body of International Institute of Welding, ANB, authorized national body of ANBCC of International Institute of Welding, as well as Skill Development Committee of IIW.
Today, IIW India, 13 branches and 2 chapters running across the length and breadth of country, having more than 150 corporate members and more than 4,000 individual members drawn from scientists, engineers, technicians, welders, and distributors, all of whom derive immense professional benefits through our membership.
I'm Abhi Joseph from Voestalpine Bolo Welding India. We are a European company in the field of welding consumables. We have been associated with IIW India as an industrial corporate member for many years, and we find this association very good because it gives us a platform to network with fabricators, with consultants, with research institutes, and also young engineers. So we value this association and we will continue to support the IIW India in its goals to improve welding in the country.
Today, IIW India has been serving the nation in multiple ways in the arena of qualification and certification of welding professionals. For example, as an authorized national board of International Institute of Welding, IIW India has been helping welding professionals to acquire international qualifications like International Welding Engineer, International Welding Technologist, International Welding Inspection Personnel and International Welders, etc. And those who qualify are empowered for employment anywhere in the world. For more than 2 decades, IIW India has been conducting AMIIW, Associate Membership of Indian Institute of Welding Examination, providing an opportunity to acquire engineering level qualification in welding engineering for those who are already engaged in welding profession.
The Indian Institute of Welding plays a leading role in the country-wide skill development movement that is going on, and we are regularly associated with NSDC and other government sectors who are involved in the skill development movement.
For training and certification of welders and welding operators, IIW India's National Welding Training and Certification Scheme is accredited by NABET as per ISO 17024, and IIW India is the first ever organization to get such accreditations for any trade. Welder training and testing is conducted through a number of authorized training institutes and authorized testing centers spread over the country. Thousands of welders are certified for different processes and industry skills every year after training at our ATIs spread throughout the country. IIW India conducts Weld India International Welding Technology exhibitions, and so far 12 such exhibitions have been conducted in major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, and Kolkata. For facilitating overall quality and enhancing global competitiveness of welding fabricators, IIW conducts certification of manufacturing companies as per ISO 3834, and industries like nuclear fabricators, railways, and all types of engineering industries are benefited. The Indian Welding Journal, the official welding journal of IIW India, is a peer-reviewed technical publication which has become a strong media for dissemination of welding technology. And the scientists, professionals, engineers are immensely benefited through this. For upgradation of knowledge and skill, IIW India is associated as a knowledge partner and assessment body of sector skill councils like iron and steel, capital goods and automobile sectors, etc. And also a certifying authority as per Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. IIW India regularly conducts national and international seminars as well as branch level seminars where a large number of technical papers are presented. To encourage ongoing research work in welding technology, IIW India has instituted various awards for recognition of the authors of best papers presented in the national and international welding seminars on various disciplines. IIW India organizes national level competition for welders and welding engineers every year and supports participants for competing in international skill competitions. Membership of the institute is thus an enriching experience. Come, become our member and take part in our goal for promoting welding technology for nation building.